So before I found FutureDoc, I was just starting my UCAT preparation and I was starting to think about my personal statement, and at the time I knew my personal statement wasn't really good. So they introduced me to a personal tutor, and that's where they told me how to structure some questions, how to answer UCAT questions, a bit of BMAT questions, and how to tackle the personal statement. And they showed me little hints how to structure the personal statement to increase your chances of getting into medical school. If you're ever struggling, anything you need is always there. So for the videos, there's loads of videos where you can look what there is, and say if you're struggling, you always go there and you'll always have an answer. FutureDoc is a very good place where you can see all the information. So for me, this interview process, I didn't really know where to start. Went on FutureDoc, your website, and I looked and I saw so many videos where I could do. And that's the same for the UCAT. I didn't really know how to tackle these questions. On your website, there was plenty of videos that showed me how to tackle, and you give examples, and it's showing me. That's the same with the BMAT. I watch your BMAT work through as well. So watching everybody walk through the steps, how to answer the essay question, for example. If you really don't know something, I always know it will be on your website. A big contributing factor to why I got in would definitely be FutureDoc.